And babies on the bus go.
I want to go back here. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. What's that name?
Can you see?
Yeah.
Is that a school bus?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Who's that?
It's some boy.
Yeah.
He's coming from school?
Yeah.
Do you see any more?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Okay. More. More. Happens. What's that?
But bus came here. This is where the bus stops. And some children got off.
Yeah.
Did you see them walking?
Yeah.
And so they went home.
Yeah.
And then bus said, okay, bye-bye for today. And I'm going now to other street to take other children
Yeah.
home. So that's what happened.
Yeah.
That's what they do every day.
Yeah. No, Papi. Mike?
Mike?
Yeah.
Mike goes on the bus?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
On the yellow bus?
Yeah. Who is that?
I don't know. What do you think?
Who's that name?
Which one?
That one. That one.
I can't see anyone.
Who is that?
But there is nobody there.
Yeah.
It's just a lot of snow.
Yeah.
So much snow. Apchicha! Was that Apchicha?
Yeah. Who is that?
A neighbor, maybe?
Who's that name?
It's another house across the street.
Yeah.
On the other side of the street. Do you feel better, Pumpkin, or do you feel sick?
Yeah.
Which one? Sick or better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think.
You're sick?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to take a nap?
No.
Why?
No.
You don't like it?
No.
Okay, you don't have to.
Yeah.
What about some lunch?
No.
What?
Watching.
I can't understand you.
Fine.
I can't understand. I don't know what are you saying. I can't understand when you have your thumb in the mouth.
Lunch.
You want lunch?
Yeah.
Oh, yay! Soup?
Yeah.
I have squash soup.
Yeah.
Shall I warm it up?
No, that's soupy.
Santi soupy.
No, soupy.
Which one is that?
Sopa.
Sopa.
Yeah.
But that's sopa, the squash sopa that I have.
No, sopa.
What is it made of?
Sopa. Sopa.
That's upside down. You have to turn them different way. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Then it will down. Down. Different.